In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI photos in Copilot mobile completely for free, like you're currently seeing here on the screen. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Step 1 is to download Copilot on the App Store. Click the search bar and type in Copilot AI. In this case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to open it. The next step is to sign in, but if you already have the app, then it's to click the chat box right here. You can add a picture or an audio. In this case, in the text box, you can ask Copilot to create any image, picture, or photo that you desire within reason. And once you're satisfied, you can click done. And then you can click generate, which is the third option or icon, and wait for this to load as Copilot is going to create a picture, image, or photo. Copilot has successfully created and generated 4 pictures here on the screen. You can click one, and you can even choose the settings if you would like for different options and appearances, and Copilot will recreate the image. If you're happy, you can click looks good, and on the top right hand screen you can click the 3 icons and click download. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.